fish.
Yo, what's that, raid? Yo, hello everyone.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, wow. Hello, hello. Thank you, the raid, Sky Gray. Holy. Sorry, still setting up. I didn't close my window and stuff, but then we'll be beginning. Yeah, I hope your stream went well. All right, I think I'm ready now. Thank you for the gamba, and yeah, hello, hello. Hello, Sky Gray enjoyers, very based, very based. They are a pretty pog streamer, you know. It's always a fun time in a Sky Gray stream. Hello, it me. I have a matcha latte. It's not a tea. I think it's a latte. It's made with like, I don't know, it was some powder thing and it was really good. It's matcha and strawberry. I haven't drunken any yet, but I'm very keen. Yeah. Yeah, I figured today I already had half an energy drink. I'll probably drink it some more while on stream. Don't need a coffee. I'll go for the matcha. It's been a hot minute. I have some leftover chocolate coated gingerbread, like the soft kind. And I needed a snack. So this is also my snack. Tasty. Yum 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 yum. But yeah, today we'll be working my Fimsh game. You can see the head of Fimsh here. It looks decapitated. Yeah, have you seen the long Fimsh game I'm making? Also, what the? All the Fimsh are so keen for that one piece of food. Is there an easy way? I think I have to share my screen, my entire screen, to show it all. Oh, that's right. I moved the server to the actual server. I need a way to Hang on, let me re-enable the server button. Menu. I re-enable that and then I believe, yeah, go back to localhost, please. Yeah, I need to finish credits on the website, but I'll be submitting this for the Nova Jam, which will be Pog. But yeah, this is well, it should be like this. I haven't done everything, but you know, you select your name, you press play. I got a debug thing on at the moment. Don't mind that. yeah, and then you grow in length. Hang on. Let me go again. Hang on. If we go player, boom, and then we just get rid of that play. But yeah, it's multiplayer, and we ran a little test last time. You can play from the browser, which I think is fantastic. But yeah, it's pretty pog. So they're both playing on the same server right now, which is the one I just launched. But yeah, you grow in length and all sorts of stuff. I need to work out what ability to give them because currently they don't have any abilities. And yeah, yeah, I want a cool ability. Yeah, they died. But yeah, the leaderboard should update as well, like in like 3 seconds. 3, 2, yeah, okay. Because yeah, currently you just swim around. So when you're like battling for food or whatever, yeah, there's no, you just kind of have to be ahead for the most part. The strategy, there's not much complexity to the strategy. It's very basic. So I want to make at least one ability that will make that interaction a bit more fun. But yeah, it's a long Fimsh. Anyway, we're working on this today because I want to finish this. I mean, ideally, I would finish it like this week, but I've been addicted to Enfield, so we only had like I've only been streaming like what is it like 18 hours of the last 36 hours of just straight Enfield. My God, I want to play more. But yeah, I need to look at our to-do list because as you can see, quite a lot is ticked off. But we added all of this from the playtest that we had, which is well, most of this from the playtest, which is a lot of stuff. We also have a bug. We found a bug. Yeah, we have a few bugs to fix. Oh, and I have to fix the algorithm as well because there's an algorithm for how many segments we need, and it's kind of broken. Because after like 2,000 score, it starts going negative. No worries. I hope your food is fulfilling. Yeah, mini Fimsh. Look, I go. Mm-hmm. No, it's so hot today. It's not okay. It's not okay. It shouldn't be this hot. Mm-hmm. Bring back winter. Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, we have a lot of stuff to work on. Sorry, I'm just eating my gingerbread before we lock in. Mm. Oh yeah, okay. Okay. Mm, mm, mm. All right. So I'm just mixing up my last bit of the latte so I can drink it. Mm. What do we even work on today? Because like, well, we fixed the size algorithms, but it's kind of boring. Give away to client respawn. I don't know. This one's a question mark. That one's a question mark. Visuals come later. If growing too fast, we get index out of bounds on tails. Yeah, I'm not sure why this is happening. Actually, yeah, I do. Actually, I think I know. Because where's the tail? Sorry, I think I just worked it out. I think it's because we convert. How do we get IDX? So it's either 0 or this. Wait, 0 plus 1 it always exists. That's fine. Oh, so it has to be a problem in here. But when IDX was greater than, yeah, this didn't help though. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to wait for support on that one. Play a number of segments. Yeah, that's fine. Let me stop printing that out actually. Number of segments. Give me a print line. That's fine. Number of segments. Yeah, this. Save. So index issues based on the server based on yeah, so I think this is connected to here. Maybe I make another category. Your index issues. I'll remove this and put it here. I wonder what, is there a better place to put this? Okay. No, I think it's fine there actually. It'll be fine. What about the floating window, this one? Yeah, that's fine. People already connected have unknown as a username on leaderboard. Oh, right. Okay, we can fix that. That's kind of important, surprisingly. Like, it's not really a gameplay feature, but it's very nice to know. Okay, so let me test that. So if we go server, and then play, and we go slimy Fimsh like this, and then I go this one plays. Does it have unknown? It does have unknown. Okay, unknown 0. Stop. Why is that? So where's high score? A leaderboard. Handle player spawn, player died, set points. How do we give a Fimsh their name? Oh, well, yeah. I think we need to add it to the big packet. The joining packets. So assign Fimsh curve, yeah, this one, because this one has a lot of data in it. And so I guess what we need to do is we have a var of username here. And that's going to be a string. I'm not sure how we'll go about doing that just yet, but we'll work it out. Here we go, username, string. And here, info dot username is equal to username. Then what? What happens now? Encoding. Right, so we go data dot. All right, we have to get the UTF-8 buffer because we have username dot UTF-8 buffer, and then I think we have a 2-byte array. Where did we use strings before? Yeah, I was complaining because of the indent. To float 32 array int 32. Is string from ASCII. Well, wait. Is this just a this is a fact byte array. Okay. I guess we need to encode the length, right? Because how do we know how long it's gonna be? Because yeah, we can go data dot append array and then username. Well, it'll be this. butts. Big butts, yeah. To decode it, we need to slice it up again. So we need to know its length. So if we go data dot size, wait, we have to get the size beforehand. Okay, so access username is equal to this. Yeah. So we do want to append packed username here. Hello, Peter, welcome in. And then we want to go packed username dot size. What does this give us? Number of elements in the array. It's an int. Okay, I think what we do here is we go data dot encode u32. I mean, it shouldn't be u32 sized, but we'll keep it u32 sized. Well, we need to give it an index 25, because that's 4, yeah, 25. Pretty nice. And then what? Here on the decode. So the decode is username length is equal to data dot decode u32 at 25. And then here, okay, this is where we need to do data dot slice. Does this modify return slice of byte array from begin to end exclusive as new, right? The absolute value begin and end will be clamped to array size to the default value of end. That's fine. Either end or begin and negative will be relative. Okay, that's fine. Does it modify the data? I don't think it modifies the array that we're taking this from. Thank you for that, Pat. And so I think this goes from 29 to 29 plus username length. And this is this is gonna be username is equal to that. It doesn't like that though. Oh, wait. Okay, I'm thinking. Then this becomes, we need to make it a UTF-8. It's like decode. Dot UT, get string from UTF-8. Length is not the username length. Right. Plus is not an operator. Why is username here? What a complete fail. Yeah, and then this slice. This slice is 29 plus username length, I think. I think that's it. So we'll verify this by going push warning username. Save. Well, we also have the source stuff still printing, source and destination. So there'll be a lot of places where this gets correctly checked. Okay, here we just go username. Nice. Yeah, this is on player. I got confused because this is leaderboard at the top. Here we go, server, client, slimy hunger, and client. Well, okay, yeah, that's what he thought. Index out of bounds -2. Where? Okay, yeah. Okay, we had a decode issue. Yeah, we did. Okay. Reading code, pausing around. Okay, let's go back to our little Fimsh curve thing. Did I get it wrong? So this is 25. So 25 plus 4 is 29. So this definitely starts at 29. Do I need a -1? Do I need a -1 this? Because, like, well, maybe. Fact username, size. Yeah, so that's the number of elements. Okay, let's try again. Play. Server, clients, play, client. Wait, what is coming through? Yeah. Okay, we're getting Geary Bunny and then a bunch of data. Okay, we're overshooting by a lot. Okay, we'll go here and we'll go rinse fact username.size. So this is source size. And this one will be destination size. Destination size. Username length. Play. Server, client, play, Fimshy Bunny, play, stop. Okay, this is wrong. Oh, what the? How did I mess that up? Oh, this needs to be a function. It's currently reference. Okay, yeah. Server, client, play, stop. What does this do? Remote deploy. Okay, it says 11. And then it says destination size. A bajillion. That's wrong. That is wrong. Why is it wrong? So we get XY. This is XY. So yeah, 21, 21. And then at 25, we do this. And at 25, wait. Encode, decode. Wait, this should be correct, right? Encode U32, decode U32. How are we getting such a bigger number? Returns the number of elements in the array. The number of elements in the array. So we append the array here. See, 11 seems about right. Because it was, what was the username? Shy food. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, wait, it should have been 7. Oh wait, 7 characters. Versus 11 here. Interesting. This should work, shouldn't it? Am I dumb? I think I might be dumb. Destination size. Why are you so big? That's what I don't understand. Maybe this is like a U8. That might explain some things, but then this needs to be a U8. Well, link. It says it's an int though. It doesn't say what kind of int though. So we just put it into a U8. What does that do to it? Client, okay, Fimsh hunger, client, stop. Source size 12, destination size 7. Okay, well, is it U16? What is this guessing game? Why do I have to guess? This is a float, that's 4 bytes, right? Yeah, 17, 21, U16. U16, save. Play. Server, clients, Galactic Fimsy, clients, stop. Destination size is a bajillion. A bajillion. That's bigger than a U8 anyway. What? I don't understand. Let me undo this. Let's undo the username thing. Where's my... What the... Yeah, my YouTube's been popping off a little bit. How did that work? Apparently my YouTube's already got 19 views. Holy... Hello, YouTube frogs. Frogs. Why is it always YouTube frogs? Yo, your stream streak, yo, Pierre. Thank you for the 45 stream streak. Sorry I didn't catch that earlier. Okay, Godot. Godot. Store. String. Packed. Byte. Array. Length. Length. Wait. No, that doesn't make sense. Get the length of the string in there. Yeah. Does it have a length function? Maybe. Well, this is just wrong. Okay, hang on. Oh wait, I was undoing stuff. That's right. Are we back at U32? So U32 and save. Well, this is actually username length. Maybe that's where my mistake was. My mistake. Does this consume? This doesn't say if it consumes or not. Frustrating. Do we have a length function? If I go length, maybe that will like solve a few issues. Okay, stop. Yeah, there's no length function. That's what I thought. Okay, packed username size of the UTF buffer. Yeah, that's fine. And then here we decode the length, and then we get it from this. Play Galactic Bunny. Source size is a bajillion. Sorry, destination. Wait a second. Why do they both say source? Wait, this is destination. That's fine. So it says this value is a bajillion. Why are you a bajillion? Stop. Yeah, source size is 13. Destination size is a bajillion. Okay. I don't understand. However, byte 1A is not a correct continuation byte after F4. We don't even have 13 in that number. How does it get so fucked up? Because like the rest of this here, this gets fucked because it's basically we get the whole array, trying to make all of it a string, and then there's nothing left for the curve. And so we get an error because there's no curve data. Yeah, that's why we get -2 out of bounds. Yeah, that's fine. That's expected. This is not expected though. Data, encode, hacked username, dot size. Okay, new question. New question. If we go print before and we go data dot size, and then let me add a little thing here. Boop, boop, boop. And then after we append the string, and we go after the size. Is it like plus 13 or however much it should be? Server clients play clients stop. Wait, source size is 14. Before is 25. 25 plus 14 is 39. After is 39. Wait, do we not resize it correctly? Oh shit. Plus 4. That doesn't help though, right? I don't think that makes a difference. Maybe it does. Let me just see if it magically works now that I added plus 4. Hungry bunny. Hello, Sarah. Oh, wait, it worked. Oh shit, it's still unknown though. Why is it still unknown? Fimsh hunger. Clients. How you doing? Yo, I love Enfield. Oh, I want to play more. Yo, I was playing some Star Rail today with a friend. Yo, nothing beats Star Rail story. Like, I don't know, it's pretty engaging. I do like the new area quite a lot. It's quite fun. It's quite fun. Wait, what did they think? Did the username come through actually? Mm, we'll find out here, right? Here. Yeah, Fimsh hinged. What is this? Fim or hunger? We missed one. Oh wait, we're still minusing one here, right? Yeah. Nice. Okay, we got it. We got the username. Okay. Okay, time to fix the leaderboards. Okay, nice. Save. And then leaderboard is here. We are on leaderboard. Currently client set points. Yeah, we need to hook up to client network dot curve. It's like Fimsh exists with curve connects. Fimsh username func set Fimsh username, I think. Us? This takes in assign Fimsh card. Assign Fimsh card. And then here we go, Fimsh. Wait, do we? We might not even need to put it here. Why are you giving me a little error? Set Fimsh username. Wait. First off, where's the Fimsh spawner? Where are you, Fimsh spawner? I know you're out there. Oh yeah, here we are. Yeah, so basically in here we go player.username is equal to Fimsh.username. Just like that, save. Does the leaderboard player.username. Oh, that's for spawning a player, that's fine. Player died, set points. Oh yeah, I need a function here. And it's like create entry if not exist. You have to finish in for story before you get to the new area. Yo, very, very astute of you. Yeah. Yeah, you have to do N4S and then the thing in Pennaconia and then the new area. Exciting. Yeah, I love the mini games. They're pretty fun. Yeah, I think I'm gonna pull Sparksy. Because if I lost my last 50-50, which you know we can't get in Enfields, fucking sucks. Uh and so I am guaranteed the next 5-star on my main account. So I think I'm gonna pull Sparksy, and then depending how that goes, I might pull Yao. Yao, is that her name? The current banner girl. Cause she's staying on the banner once when Sparky's ban Sparks tickle, once their banner runs next, we'll have both of them, even though the current banner, yeah, I don't know, it's odd, they're doing something different. Oh, create placeholder entry. Oh, we have this. Yeah, we have this. Okay. Does this have the Fimsh ID? Oh, it does. Okay, here we can just go create placeholder entry. Yeah, I guess we'll create a spawn player. Create ID is Fimsh.id. Position is just gonna be vector to 0. And then username will be Fimsh.username. Yeah, and that should hand it out. Yeah. 50 stream streak? Really? Oh, what the 1 minute ago? Oh, streak? Yeah, oh, streak. Yeah, I need to hook up the IRC to the stream streak stuff so we can have that like through TTS and like yeah. I really want to work on getting my library updated on Godot and then redoing my overlay, the chat one specifically in Godot, so that um so that well yeah, part of that will be like adding in the stuff that's missing currently, but also I think I have an idea for like a replacement for Dusty's retirement that I'm gonna make, and it might also be in Godot. We'll see. Thank you for the mini Fimsh. Yo, Nora, hello. Big parade of rainbow Fimsh. True. We have that for raids currently. Hello. Yo, I really need to do German learning. I haven't done any German learning in so long. Negative German. I'll never get my citizenship at this rate. I didn't redo the one of the first tiers of the Nikos Veg tutorial thing, and I did notice my brain does auto fill in the simpler I don't know what they're called. It's like, is it a particle? I don't know, because like one of the simple tests in the early Nikos Veg one was like, oh, do you use bin or ish? No, it's ish bin. Mm, ist or bin? Is that what they were? I don't remember the sentences anymore. It's been a few days. I don't know. It was like the particles, like bin and ist and hub and something else. Oh, like, yeah, that's kind of cool. We need to add more names, more words to the adjective and noun combo for randomization. Oh, let's see if this works. Ich bin happy. Du bist happy. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you know it, Nora. Sarah is happy. Yeah. Yeah, that thing. All right, because they were testing the do versus the ish variations. Oh, and then there was like, oh, here's two ways of saying my name is Al, or ich bin Al, I guess. Right? I don't know, it's been too long. 4 days. I've never introduced myself to anyone in my life in German. That sounds bad, but it's true. Oh yeah, okay, we fixed it. Nice. There's names now. Yeah, I can come over here and we go. Yeah, names are good. My name is Norma. Yeah, wie heißt du? Oh, the heißt. I never. Yeah, because it would be. I didn't remember the heist one. Heist, because it would be. Is it Ich heist? Ich heist Al? I have. Mein Name ist Al. Heist. Yeah, my overlay has squares. Oh, it's heist. Yeah, double S is not a Z. Heist. Heist. Oh, the response is heist. Oh, wie heißt du? Heise. Ich heiße. Wait, is it Ich heiße Al or is it just Heise ist Al? No, I think it's the first one. I think the second one didn't sound correct. My name is Nora. Ich heiße Al. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it was the one I thought it was. Nice. Nice. Yeah, I've actually used greetings like this because like in English when I'm meeting people, I guess you do. Like if you're actually meeting random people and no one introduced you, you'd be like, "Yo, I'm Al." Yo, they'll be like, but then they usually go, "Oh, hey, I'm blah. Nice to meet you." There's no like, what's your name? Do people actually ask? They like, my name is. Wait, no. Yeah. Yeah, like is this a thing that actually occurs? Like, do they say their name and then ask your name, or is there like the implicit thing where like when you're like, "Yo, I'm Al. Nice to meet you." Is that more common or less? Wie wie heißt du? Wie wie wie? Oh man, you're knowing English first. I never know which vowel I need to say. Is it I first or E first? Like which way's which? Is English? Do you say the I? Yeah, okay, V. Okay, V. Informal settings you would often go, hi Sarah and do. Oh, and do. And do. Nice. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I should go traveling again. Yeah, there's a problem with traveling, like even within Germany. How do I stream every day of 2026? Like I want to go to London again, but I'm like, yo, how do I don't have a laptop. How do I stream? He's like half the words. Yeah, but that's normal for like the basic natural conversations. Cause like some people they're just like if I was like some people don't even say hi, they're just like, Al, nice to meet you. And they're like, Sarah, pleased to meet you too. And I'm like, Pog, let's go vibe. um, I think this would be common across all languages because like eventually like there's a scale between efficiency and communication. Or is it yeah, and basically if things can be implied, they will be kind of vibe. Unless you're a beginner. Then like yeah. I guess it's bad for learning. Well, it's bad for learning like proper structure and what it should be. Um, but yeah, understand the implicit part. Yeah, me either. Me either. It's always a thing you have to like spend time learning. It's can be rip. But yeah, I really do want to get better. And German. Should we do some German learning now? I feel like I feel like it's time. It's been too long. I'll move tab to new window. Should we do a safe Nikos Veg? Because they seemed pretty good. I mean, more German learning is yeah, meeting people. Your contact details is gonna be difficult. Oh no, not choose. Wait, how do I capture my browser? What are you? You are nothing. This one. Uh, reset transform. Boop, boop, boop. Wait. I can do this, right? Yeah. And then oh, there we go. Yeah, so this is the one I just booted up one day and did this and the data is still here. Like it's probably pretty rip, it's not perfect, but it was on a whim. But some practice is always better than not practice. Mm, 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 mm. One until 100. 1 to 100? Numbers 1 to 100, yeah, okay. Which number? That is Nico. Small problem. Basic words in German. Oh, no problem. Not small problem. Tschüss, that's bye-bye. Of A to Z spelling. Nico has a problem. And of them amped. What the fuck is amped? Formal address numbers over 100. Holy. 3 in company. What power? What do you like here? What do you hear? Maxed. Is this power or is this like? How do you like? What do you like? What? This is probably what do you like, right? What drinks do you like? Eine Pizza bitte. 1 pizza, please. Yo. Why only 1 pizza? Why not 2? 2? 2. Yeah, I'm rusty. Zahlen bitte. Ich war schon in Berlin. You like it in Berlin? Nice. Wo liegt das? Wo liegt? Who, where? What is liegt? Liked? I don't know that one. In Europa. Yo, speaking about countries, yo, I might learn stuff in that one. Amped is government management building where you get IDs and stuff. Yo, I'm gonna memorize that one eventually. What is das? Vem? What is Vem? I've not seen Vem before. Vem gehört das? Something about hearing. Do you hear? There's a question though. Well, yeah. What is Vem? Who do you hear? What do you hear? Asking about objects. Vem. What is here, right? Ich habe kein. Ich habe small. Do not. Das Auto is rot. Ah, the car is red. Who owns that? Oh. 6 livings, 7 daytimes. What daytimes? Yeah, I can get days of the week easily. Appointments. Oh no, not appointments. Orientation, eating and leisure, working life. Mind birth. Food, clothing, yo. Clothing, sports and exercise, 17 health. Family. More lessons. Home. I should know most of this, but I know a bunch of them. I'm like, yo, that I don't have that there. Numbers, should we scratch up on our numbers? I haven't done numbers in a hot minute. Oh, this might be loud. Oh, we were meant to watch the video. Let's watch the video of the child. Horan. Ah, yeah. Okay. Why did I think it was hot? Where is the browser? There is no browser audio thing. Let's hope it's not loud. Holy, it was loud.
Wie ist die Hausnummer, Emma? 38 oder 83?
Moment, 11.
Elf, that's 11.
Ja, dann sind wir richtig hier.
Yeah, she's right.
Wie
There.
viele Zahlen sind das?
What does it mean?
Viele.
Das sind 31 Zahlen. 1, 2,
2,
3,
4, 5,
4,
4.
5,
Yeah, 5, 6.
2, 3,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6,
6, 8, 7. What the?
9,
I forgot sieben.
10,
Yeah.
11, 12.
Wolf.
6,
6, 7, 8.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Zwölf.
Was ist das?
Eine Einladung zum Geburtstag von Charlotte.
What the?
Geburtstag?
Happy
Geburtstag?
Birthday to you.
Ey.
Geburtstag.
Ja,
Geburtstag.
und das hier ist ein Geschenk.
That's a big Geschenk.
Tschüss, Nico, bis morgen.
Tschüss.
Tschüss, Hammer.
High five, let's go. Ah, we did it. If I go play again. Yeah. There's a saying, sieben Mal, sieben gibt einen Sand. 7, 7. That's 7, I think. 7 demands, 7 give. I don't know what fen and Zand is. Typo. 7 Mal, 7 gibt. Capitalization is important here. Fen and Zand. Is it the same or different? Oh yeah, capitalization. 7 Mal 7 gibt. Which means 7. Sieving 7 times gives fine grained sand. Really? It's both sifting and 7. Oh, nice. What is right? Nico learnt with Emma. Zahlen. I don't think. Did they learn Zahlen? I don't think so. Lisa sucht eine Adresse. No. Emma hatte eine Einladung. I don't think so. Emma and Lisa suchen die Hausnummer 12. We did talk about Zwolf, but I don't think so. Oh no! Wait, these words I don't know. Nico, I already passed the right answer, I think. Nico had ein Geschenk. Nico did not have ein Geschenk. That's the balloon. Emma had Geburtstag. Geburtstag? Yeah, I'm butchering these words, my god. So, I don't know what Zahlen is. I should know this one. It is called Zahlen, counting. Nico learnt with Emma counting. Zahlen? I don't think Zahlen is counting. There's no way. Lisa sucht eine Adresse. Sucht. It's not this one. Emma had eine Einladung. I mean, metagaming, I'd say this one. But they did say Zawolf. Let's go check. Oh man, that's loud. Why is it loud? It is not that one. Choose 4 correct answers. Oh, 4 correct answers. Oh shit. House number 11. Emma had eine Einladung. Is this like a gift? Einladung. Einladung. I'm gonna look this one up. I don't think I've ever done German learning on YouTube before. Yeah, YouTube fast. Godot. Sorry, that's a moderate YouTube. My god. Thank you, Gino. And welcome in. Oh, we're taking a break from. We're doing some German learning right now, but anyway. We will be going back to game development. We'll have a game soon. It'll be fun. What is a Einladung? Oh yeah, they did have an invite. Okay, Emma did have an invite. And I guess, well, the mother had a Geschenk. I don't know what that is. I need to look it up before I say something silly. Geschenk. A gift. Nico did not have a gift. No. What is Sucht? Yeah, we're learning today. Sucht. Sucht. It is seeks. Lisa seeked an address. I don't think so. Did Emma have a Geburtstag? Geburtstag. I don't think Emma had a birthday. So
Nico lernt mit Emma Zahlen.
That
Lisa
is-
sucht eine Adresse.
Why is it so
Emma
loud?
hat eine Einladung. Emma und Lisa suchen die Hausnummer 11.
Oh. Yeah, that was a bit loud. Okay. We got one of them wrong. She was searching for a address. Okay. Next. Another video. Let's watch.
1, 2,
1, 2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
1,
7,
3,
7,
4,
6, 7,
6,
8.
7, 8,
Yeah.
9.
Okay, was hat, yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
4. Vowel a second. 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, then 11, 12. 12 is 12, right?
6, 7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
11,
12.
12. Nice. Oh yeah, I don't understand these. Can you really count along? Listen, read, and speak aloud.
1,
1,
2,
2, 3, 4,
4,
4, 5, 6.
6,
Good.
7,
7, 8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
10, 11, 12.
12.
Yeah, nice. What do you see in the photos? Count the people in the photos. 1, 2. Yeah, okay. The letters in the photo. What is this? And the letters in photos 3. Okay. Wie viele Personen sind das? How many people are in this photo? 4. Lisa, Emma, Nico, das sind 4 Personen. Is it joking? There's a dude here and another one here. There's 5. But then they say the names. If I get this wrong, I'm blaming it because it should be 5. Because there's 5 in the photo. Was it dry?
Lisa, Emma, Nico. Das sind 3 Personen.
Okay, they only care about the actual cast. This is 4. Not 5. 4.
Emma, Lisa, Nico, Max. Das sind 4 Personen.
Yeah. Ich bin Lisa. Das sind 8 Buchstaben. Buchstaben? Das sind... Oh, letters. Oh, Buchstaben. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, let me ish. What am I counting? I read the word that's here. And I also I was like, yo, itch, but also ish. Eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, neun, acht, neun, zehn. Das sind zehn Buchstaben.
Das sind 10 Buchstaben.
Ja. Eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, zehn, elf, sowohl. Das sind zwölf.
Das sind 12 Buchstaben.
Buchstaben, okay, Buchstaben. Eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs. I don't know how to spell that one. Sechs, sieben, acht, neun, zehn, elf. What? Sechs. How do you spell sex? I legit don't know how to spell this. 6. Oh, there's no T. There's no T. 6. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Are you gonna start doing double numbers now? Yeah. 20 und wir. 24. Yeah, 24. Why do they have it backwards? The script. How did you do? Listen to the numbers and repeat them aloud.
13,
13, 14, 15,
14,
16, 17, 18,
15,
19. Yeah, I'm good. Next one.
20,
20, 21.
21,
Yeah. 30,
30,
30.
32,
Ja, 32, 40,
40,
43,
43,
43, 50,
50,
54. Oh, the numbers are the
54,
numbers are the numbers they are, Drazen. Yeah, so these are all 10 numbers, and then here we get some like different ones. 54. Yeah, it's backwards. I'm gonna go with good. 60. That's 60? Oh, it is. 65. How do you say that?
60,
65.
65,
75.
70,
70. Really?
77,
77.
80,
Yeah, 80. 88.
88,
That's funny. 88. 90.
90,
Careful, 6 buttons, 6, 7 but 7. Yeah. Writing numbers. This would be. Hang on, I'm not looking at the elements. Not looking at the elements. This is 28. 28. 41. That is 51. 51. Oh, I did 50. I said 51. 40. Okay, 64. 64. 60. 64. Nice. Check.
64.
96. That's 96. 96. Yeah.
96.
Nice. Oh, we got 9-second video.
Wie ist die Hausnummer, Emma? 38 oder 83?
Moment. 11.
Oh,
Ah, ja, dann sind wir richtig hier.
that first number though.
Wie ist die Hausnummer, Emma? 38 oder 83?
Akten.
38 oder 83?
38.
Moment. 11.
Ah, ja, dann sind wir richtig hier.
83. Wait, did I have it backwards? Why did I say 38?
Wie ist die Hausnummer, Emma? 38 oder 83?
Moment.
Akten.
11.
Wie ist die Hausnummer, Emma? 38 oder 83?
Moment. 11.
Oh. 23. Wait, wouldn't it be 23?
Die Hausnummer, Emma? 38 oder 83?
Moment. 11.
Yeah, whatever that word is, that sounds like act. That fucks up the numbers. No.
Hausnummer, Emma? 38 oder 83?
Moment. 11.
Ah, ja, dann sind wir richtig hier.
Which house number search Lisa and Emma? Suken? What string numbers are Lisa and Emma looking for in the video? What are they looking for? 11, that's what the, like, pretty sure she says 38.
Sie suchen die Hausnummer 11.
That's the one the girl says. What street number do you hear? Here we go.
Wie ist deine Hausnummer?
Die Hausnummer? Warte kurz. Das ist die 26.
Die 26?
26.
Yeah.
Wo wohnt Emma?
Emma wohnt in der Bachstraße 67.
Noch einmal bitte. Wie ist die Hausnummer?
Sie wohnt in der Bachstraße. Sie hat die Hausnummer 67.
Danke.
You're 16. Yeah, thank you. Shaylena. Fuck. Yeah, I am streaming. I was doing Godot development, but German learning. It's been a hot minute. Let's play
Wo
audio
wohnt
again.
Emma?
Emma wohnt in der Bachstraße 67.
67.
Noch einmal bitte. Wie ist die Hausnummer?
Sie wohnt in der Bachstraße. Sie hat die Hausnummer 67.
Danke.
76. 76? No, 67.
67.
Yeah, I'm doing good. So let's do another number.
Ich habe die Adresse von Max nicht. Er wohnt in der Römerstraße, oder?
Ja, genau. Er hat die Hausnummer 98.
Römerstraße 98?
98.
Ja,
98.
Yeah, nice. We did it. We did it. Boarding pass flug number 8090. Yeah, I've done this before. Flight number, flog number. Seat. Seat is 33. So dry and Dreizig. GT. 20. Zwanzig. Zwanzig. I spelled these wrong. Flug number. Acht. Zig. And then this one is neun und Zen. Zig. I think. Check. Oh shit. 33. 1, 2, 3. Is dry a special one? What about this one? 9 und Zen. Is it just 9 und Zen? Wait, what is it? Tell me.
Flugnummer 8019. Gate D20. Sitz
Oh, it's just 9
33F.
Zen? Just 9 Zen. How did I mess this one up? Dry. Ah, Sig instead of Z is double S. Okay, okay. I basically got that right. This one, yeah, okay. Konto number Dreisen 13. 13. This is 91, so 91. 53. 53, and then 6 and 60. Is that right? 6 and 60. I think so. Hat number 7 or Siebzig. No, it is 7. 7 and Vierzig. Oh man, I don't remember which one has the S's and which ones don't. That's a problem. Oh, yo, nice. 80. Yeah, that's 80. And then this one is 90, but it's oh wait, no, it's 60. 9 und 60.
Kontonummer 13
Yeah, I got it.
91
Nice.
53
Maybe it's
66
just rising
15.
changes.
Kartennummer 47 80 69 21.
Nice. Wie ist the Flugnummer of what is Nico's flight number?
Wie ist die Flugnummer von Nico?
Acht. Flugnummer von Nico ist 80 19.
8019.
Yeah, good. Wie ist der Sitznummer von Nico?
Wie ist die Sitznummer von Nico?
33.
33.
Yeah. Wie ist Kontonummer von Lisa?
Wie ist die Kontonummer von Lisa?
91, 53, 66, 15.
Wie ist die Kontonummer von Lisa?
No. This one.
13, 91, 53, 66, 15.
Yeah. Wie ist Kartennummer von Lisa?
Wie ist die Kartennummer von Lisa?
47, 80, 69, 21.
47, 80, 69, 21.
Yeah. Das ist Yara. Sie ist 41 Jahre alt. Sie wohnt in der Adalbert Stifterstraße 3 und 49. Ihr Telefonnummer ist 40 45 33 60. Nein, 70. 70. Das ist Emma. Das ist Emma. Sie ist 41. Do you want the numbers? Sie ist 41 Jahre alt. Sie wohnt in Bachstraße. In der Bachstraße. This would be 53, so 43. Telephone number ist 73 73. What?
Das ist Emma. Sie ist 8 Jahre alt. Sie wohnt in der Bachstraße
Okay.
67.
That makes sense. This is just an
Ihre
example.
Telefonnummer ist 73
okay.
50 65 42.
Okay, I'm listening now.
Das ist Emma. Sie ist 8 Jahre alt. Sie wohnt in der Bachstraße 67. Ihre Telefonnummer ist 73 50 65 42.
She's 8 years old.
Das ist Emma. Sie ist 8 Jahre alt. Sie wohnt in der Bachstraße 67.
7.
Ihre Telefonnummer ist 73 50 65 42.
I think it's 76.
Das ist Emma. Sie ist 8 Jahre alt. Sie wohnt in der Bachstraße 67.
67.
Ihre Telefonnummer ist 73 50 65 42.
Check. What?
Das ist Emma. Sie ist 8 Jahre alt. Sie wohnt in der Bachstraße 67.
What do you
Ihre
mean?
Telefonnummer
They're all
ist
wrong.
73
This can't be
50
true.
65 42. Das ist Emma. Sie ist 8 Jahre alt. Sie wohnt in der Bachstraße 67. Ihre
Sie ist 8
Telefonnummer
Jahre
ist
alt.
73 50 65 42.
What?
Das ist Emma. Sie ist 8 Jahre alt. Sie wohnt in der Bachstraße 67.
7.
Ihre Telefonnummer ist
60.
73 50
Oh, that's 67.
65 42.
Yeah. Okay, what's going on here? What's the
Das
telephone?
ist Emma. Sie ist 8 Jahre alt.
Oh, is this 8?
Sie wohnt in der Bachstraße
Yeah, okay, we got that
67.
right, okay.
Ihre Telefonnummer ist 73 50 65
Oh, 50.
42. Das ist Emma.
Yeah.
Sie ist 8
Yeah,
Jahre
I
alt.
don't need to hear it again.
Sie wohnt in der Bachstraße 67. Ihre
Okay, that one
Telefonnummer
was a
ist
little bit of a struggle, but it's
73
because
50 65
they
42.
put in the word instead of the number.
Das ist Katrin. Sie ist 39 Jahre alt. Sie wohnt in der Seilstraße 11. Ihre Telefonnummer ist 98 57 13 69.
I think she's older than 9.
Das ist Katrin. Sie ist 39 Jahre alt. Sie wohnt in der Seilstraße 11. Ihre Telefonnummer ist 98 57 13 69.
13. 13.
Das ist Katrin. Sie ist 39 Jahre alt. Sie
39.
wohnt in der Seilstraße 11.
Yeah.
Ihre Telefonnummer ist 98 57 13 69. Das ist Katrin.
Yeah, we did it.
Sie
Okay.
ist 39 Jahre alt.
Next. Listen to the questions and read the answers out loud.
Wer ist das?
Das ist Jürgen.
Das ist Jürgen.
This seems like divergence from what we're just doing. Wie alt ist Jürgen?
Wie alt ist Jürgen?
Er ist 54 Jahre alt.
Er ist 54 Jahre alt.
Ja, er ist 54 Jahre alt. Ja, gut.
Wo wohnt er?
Wo wohnt er? Er wohnt in der... the fuck is this word? Schreinerstraße 44.
Er wohnt in der Schreinerstraße 44.
Schreinerstraße 44, ja.
Wie ist seine Telefonnummer?
Wie ist seine Telefonnummer? Seine Telefonnummer ist 23 98 66 42.
Seine Telefonnummer ist 23 98 66 42.
Yeah, nice. Script. Which information which information is in Lottie's invitation? Select 3 correct answers. Einladung. Oh, we learned this meant invitation. Liebe Emma. From love Emma to Emma. Love Emma. Like love to Emma. Oh, invitation. Yeah. Yeah. Ich habe Geburtstag und mache eine Party. Ich werde 8. Kommst du auch? Ich feiere. Feiern. Ich feiern am Samstag we haven't done clocks yet. This would be, I guess, I am pretty sure it's not sieben Zen. It might be sieben Zen. Hour in the Friedrichstraße 11. Du kannst bei mir übermatchen. Sage bitte Bescheid, ob du kommen kannst. Meine Telefonnummer ist 43, 43, 87, 55, why have I forgotten the number for 2? 62, which is right. Emma wird 8. Yeah, she is 8. Yeah. Lottie hat Geburtstag. No. Well, it is her invitation. She does have this. That's true. The party begin 8 Hour? No. Lottie wohnt in der Friedrichstraße. She does live in Friedrichstraße. I don't know if that's the right one though. The house number is 13. That's not right at all. Lottie's telephone number is 43 87 55 62 6 55 7 8 3 and V6. Yeah. What?
Ich werde 8 Jahre alt.
She is old. Why did I untick it? Dryzen. Is her house number 13? No, it's 11. It doesn't begin at 8 though. Am I dumb? Look, it undoes the first one. Is that like a bug?
Lotte hat
Oh,
Geburtstag.
it's just these three.
Lotte wohnt in der
Okay.
Friedrichstraße. Lottes Telefonnummer ist
0 points on
43
that one. Okay. Yeah, 84%. Oh. Yeah, we know this trick. Yep, that's fine. We got this. Sometimes there's some useful things here, but probably not. Oh yeah, it's this one that usually does. Yeah, Geschenk. Geschenk is a present. Nice. Ich werde 8. I am turning. Yeah. I'm going to be 8 years old. That's fine. It is. I think that last question was a bait about the Verdacht one. Finish lesson. Next. Okay. Yeah. That's fine. Oh yeah, I'm done German learning right now. That was fun. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Oh yeah, we fixed usernames. Yeah, nice. This is the algorithm. Continue to research tabbed out. Yeah, the tabbed out one is kind of annoying to do, so we will not do that. Own score on screen. Oh, we can do this. Do we have like a menu? Game is here. What is this? Yeah, okay, I need to put a number up the top. Okay, so we go new child resource, canvas, layer, rename, layer points. We go add child. I think it's aspect ratio. Yeah, it is. And then layouts, top, center top. And then we go add child. Is it just gonna be label? And then we'll go like, yeah, it'll just be like this. It'll just be points. I'm just gonna write points here for now. Save. Do I need to give a context or just have a number there? Maybe we just have a number there. Oh shit. How do we do that? We probably need it bigger, but I'll get to designing the text or whatever later. So we go add script. Points. This one, we'll rename this to points as well. On ready, we don't care. Well, actually, yeah, we need to connect, so we go client network dots. Well, we don't know what the plane number is, right? Yeah, we do. Set points. Dot connect. Func updates text. Oh man, it's hot. I don't want it to be hot. It's already hot. What is the temperature today? $15. It feels hotter than 15. Oh shit, it's gonna get up to 20 on Friday. Oh no. Sad. Yeah, so what does set points have? Player set points. Player set points. Points. And here we go. If network signals dot clients. No. Clients network dot ID is equal to points dot ID. Then and only then we go text is equal to points dot point value as a string. Okay, now if I click play. So okay, it's visible in the main menu. That should not be true. Yeah, okay, it does work. Already visible is equal to false. And here I guess we go if visible, if not visible, we go visible is equal to true. Well, we'll need to know when we player. Okay, on we'll connect. Okay, we won't do this. We'll do this on player spawn, I think. So from player spawned. Here we go visible equals true. Clients network dot handle player spawned, I think. Spawn player, so player spawn player, and here we go if player dot ID is equal to clients network dot ID, then we make it visible. Yeah, okay, it did work. Nice. And then we need to know when the player dies. Client network dot player died. Next. Player died. Player died. What does this do? Player died. Okay, yeah. Player died. If player.id is equal to client network.id, visible is equal to save. Okay, let's die. Yeah, okay. That's fine. Yeah, so text is equal to 0. String of 0. Very nice. Very perfect. Yeah, Okay, nice. Well, that was easy. Own score on screen, nice. A few seconds of immunity on spawn. Okay. Player. It would be immunity for both, I think. Well, we need to not spawn stuff on other snakes. Yeah, so we'll just have a timer, I think. Do we need to add a timer? Yeah, we'll add a timer. Rename immunity timer. And here we'll go at export var immunity timer save. What is the time? 16? Yeah. Wait, did I start on time? Not quite. Okay. Yeah, I haven't been recording. Oopie. Kill player ready. On ready. No. Yeah, on ready. Wait, the timer should automatically go. Yeah, okay, so auto start and one shot. We'll go 5 seconds. Display. That's quite a lot. You should be fine. 5 seconds of idle time. It's one shot auto start. Yeah, that's fine. And we'll have a function called function is immune. And then this returns a boolean, which is immunity timer dot is stopped. Return it stopped. Timer is stopped or has not started. Well, I guess like so for you to collide with other things, that's this. No, head collision. Enable. Let's call this enable head collision. For now, it'll be pass. And then what we do is we go here. We go immunity timer dot timeout dot connect to enable head collision. And here. Well, that doesn't quite work, right? Because we need to not have them go outside of the borders. This would allow them to go outside the borders because of the collision thing. We don't want them to run into I mean, maybe this is fine. So we're gonna play. Client, play. We still eat food? We can still eat food. Okay, yeah, it does work. You think before this though, oh, we should put some kind of visual effect on the player. I think that's for later actually. Put that on the visuals. Here. Visual when one player spawns and is immune. Nice. A few seconds of immunity on spawn, that's fine. Maybe blue circle under joints of long Fimsh. Oh. Can I just add a child node? Do they have shapes? Can I just like have it draw me a shape? Sprite 2D, I guess. If we go Sprite 2D, 1D texture where pixel brightness corresponds to points on a curve. No, I just need a circle. Alright, what I need to do actually is... No, I don't know. Did I fix that? I think I did. Oops. Yeah, we do need to do credits and link to website. How do we do a link thing? Godot. Link to website. My server is up, right? Yeah, it is. Okay, nice. A link button. Is this a thing? Yeah, bottom area, this one. Website. A link button? Oh, it is a thing. It doesn't have a visual. Oh, maybe I just replace it instead of the text. Text go away. underline on hover maybe. Links slash support. I don't know what to call here. Why is it I want anchor please. Full rect center. No, and center please. But I want the click to this can go delete. Cancel. What was this layout? Anchors full rank rect. Okay, that's fine. This one we can delete this. If I save this, hang on, just press play. Yeah, they're separate things. That's fine and stop. Link button. Where does this go currently? Oh, nowhere. Yeah, so now if I click play. Oh, it did work. Nice. It's not big enough though. So we need full rect like this, but we need it centered. Why are you not centered? Transform. Why? Wait. If it's like this, let me just make sure I'm right. Yeah. Stop. What if we go center on this, right? And then input shortcut context. No, mouse filter ignore. So now we ignore this one, but on the button itself, let me go add child. No, not add child. Add script. Yeah. Here, what we do is we go export link button. This is a link button type bar. Yeah, and then we can assign it here. And then here we go rest dot connect this to link button dot button down emit. Wait, that's hang on, font button pressed plus button pressed button down emit. Well, button pressed. Can I force emit this? Unpressed is bull. Emitted when the button is toggled or pressed. This is on button down if action mode is button press on button otherwise. You need to know the button state and toggle mode is active toggled instead. Does this kind of work? It does not. I am basically convert one argument bool to a callable. Signal base button pressed. Wait, what do you mean? To a callable. Invalid type in function connects. Connects to pressed. The provided callable is null. What do you mean it's null? Set press no signal. What does that mean? Changes the button press state of the button without emitting toggled when you just want to change the state of the button without sending a pressed event. Initializing scene. Odd. Set? Yes. Yes. We should be able to connect something to this, right? It is specifically here. Unpress. Is it because of this? Like if I go past here. It says JD8, which is this one. Okay, so if I get rid of this, it's fine. It's fine. What? That doesn't even make sense. What if I go copy and then go paste, save, play? This is odd. Rinse button pressed. Thank you for the head pat. Oh, what even is? Oh yeah, we are getting button pressed. Okay, so I go set pressed. Where's normal set pressed? If I go press dot mit, hey, yo Lane, thank you for the good amplify. How are you doing? I also worked out this is not gonna work. Let me detach script. Where is that script? Website. What do we call this? Website button DD. I don't even know where it is. Where are you? Please. Website. Yes, this one. Deletes. Newsgate. Sterling Newsgate. Hello. Only for gig amplifiers. Will the gig amplifiers stay around today? Did they come and go already? Oh no. Unless they're really slow. Only one showed up? Oh no. Maybe the others were behind it, they were hiding. Oh, imagine. Oh man, I had some ideas for my overlay. It's gonna be fantastic. So once I'm done this long Fimsh, we'll take a break from game dev to update the chat overlay, so we're just back in Godot, and update my library to work in Godot with the new version. And then what? And then I'll be bringing my old projects up to speed and get all the polish that we're currently making for this one. But at the moment I'm having trouble getting a link button to work, so that's fun. It's fantastic, really. Fantastic. But yeah, I realized that these two buttons, they don't have the button animation stuff they should have on them, so yeah, I think they're under menu. Oh, they're not under menu. Wait, they should be under menu, right? Sound on press. Oh, it's this. We attach that to this menu button, because this gives us, well, we don't have a sound, that's okay. This gives us the whole animation thing as well. Yeah, okay, nice. You think they didn't spawn at all because one spawned instantly nommed food, so I guess we would have seen others. Oh, that's true. Yo, good amplify. Yo, nice. Oh, there is a lot of food present, isn't there? Holy. It's trying to nom food. Where are you going, Fimshy? Oh no. Bye bye, Fimshy. Thank you. Holy. There's a lot of food for Fimshes today. Yeah, there's a Game Boy Fimsh here too. Yeah, one day we'll get lucky enough to have a gigamplified Game Boy Fimsh. I think that would be fantastic. I think that would be oh, yo, it's still coming. It's still here. Look at it. Holy. Bye bye, Fimsy. It's leaving again. Game Boy Fied, something like that, yeah. Yeah, something like that. Gigambified. Gigamplified. Yeah, okay, this one's sticking around for a while. Nice. Oh, it ate. It ate the food. It ate the food. Thank you very much. Onyo. Onyo ate the food. It was hungry, eh? Apparently.
Gameshipified.
Yeah. Is the AC thing not working? Why are you not working? It says it's connected. Oh well. Oh well. Why does the link button not let you, like... add a texture to it? It's pretty rude of it. It's pretty rude of it. Right, this also destroys our entire setup that I was gonna do with this. Because basically we want anchor full rect, but it's in the wrong place. Like, if it wasn't in the wrong place, this would be fine. I mean, I guess we could do this. I mean, it might do for now. Like, if I click play, like, does it get weird? Oh no, it's fine. Yeah, it's just not perfectly centered. I guess it's gonna have to do. No, it doesn't work because the click area, I think, is still wrong. Right? So if I put it here, see if I think the click area is wrong. I don't know at the moment because the click is not on, right? Yeah, stop. Save. Play. Yeah, the click area is not in the right place. Stop. What if I bring this up? Bring this as a child, and then well, yeah, it's still like isn't wide enough. Okay. Anchors full rect.
Oh no, oh no. Not the dumb.
Not the dumb. It's a little bit quiet. Pivot offset. This doesn't do anything. Well, it does do stuff, but that's not what I want. Button release, button pressed. Disabled. Text behavior, trim nothing. Ellipsis characters. Text direction. Oh, what if we go, does this work? Anchor. Full rect. No, this is I don't know what I'm doing here. I mean, I could add a script to this, but that doesn't help. Well, does it? You know, if I go add script, link button, yeah, and then here we'll go bar export bar actual button is texture, but well, it's gonna be a button, just a button, a base button. And we just go Here we go. Well, let me lowercase this. Actual button. Here we go. Actual button. Not the num. Yeah. Press.connect. Button was pressed. Was pressed. So here we go. Func. Button was pressed. We'll give it that. Actually, yeah, we'll go print. Button was pressed and save. Where is web link? This web link will go filter, ignore, save, play. It died. Why did you die? You're not doing this again to me. What the? A short? From Astatin? Insane. Oh, I didn't put the actual button. Yeah. Save. Play. Yeah, okay. So it's getting pressed now. That's good. But we need it to go. I go press to omit. Play. It doesn't do anything. How do I force it to do the actions of pressed? Button was pressed. If true, the button state is pressed. This means the button is pressed down or toggled. Changing the value of button pressed will result in toggle to be omitted. If you wanted to change the press state without emitting a signal, I do want to emit a signal, but why the toggle signal? Yeah, how do I, okay, I need to look this up. Godot, activate our button via code. Oh, I can just call this pressed. Yeah, why does it keep losing it? Wait, what did it lose? Where is the link button? Give me a link button. Having a look at what functions link button has. The URI for the link button is valid. The URI for this link button, if it's valid URI, pressing the button will open the URI using operating system default program. The protocol via OS shall open. What is URI? Oh, they just sent me to the wiki. Yeah, I don't care about the wiki. Okay, so here we go os dot shell os dot shell open URI play. Oh yeah, it did work. We did it. We did it. I need a. Okay, that means we don't have the other problem now because I can just go. Anchor layouts, anchor center. What? Why you messed up now? Doesn't make sense. What about bottom? What if full rects? Center. Why did it not work the first time? Doesn't make sense. I think it's fine now. Right? Yeah, okay, that's why. Reddits does nothing. Yeah, okay, we need a new scene for the credits. I don't know what that'll look like. I mean, I guess we would just borrow this. Maybe. How would we... It would probably be within the main menu, right? Because what's our main menu script at the moment? It handles the buttons. That makes sense. Server and client. Do we ever use this? Probably not, right? What do they even refer to? Client scene. Server scene. Oh, yeah, these can go away. Display error label. Yeah, I guess. Do we just do credits later? Not sure. Linked website, nice. That's done. Does my website have my itch page? I think it does. Oh, it does not. I should add it there. My god. Nice. My player does work. Oh, an arrow showing the direction of the largest Fimsh. Oh yeah, we can do this. We can do this pretty easily. Game. Yeah, 2D. So basically it needs to be an arrow, which we do have an arrow. Right? Oh, it's not here anymore though. And let me get the asset. Because basically we can just get the location of the biggest Fimsh and yeah, okay. I think this might be difficult. Maybe it will be though. Fimsh. No, this is Godot. Okay, I have the resources. If I just type an arrow, does it give me a list of the arrows? It does give me some arrows. So if I go open with this. This is not what I want. Arrow decorative? Maybe. Thumb. Oh, maybe. Maybe we do want a decorative arrow. How about that? S N N. What is N? Oh, north. East. Let's go east. Basic arrow E. Copy. Back. This one. Asset. Paste. Do I spawn this on the player actually? Oh, I want a spectator mode. Spectator mode. I'd love a spectator mode actually. I think it would be really easy to do. Dumb. What about dumb? Player? I think I want. Spectator. Oh wait, no, we're doing arrows. You think the arrow does go on the player? Well, it doesn't exist without the player, that's true. Well, it could. It doesn't exist without a camera. Yeah, I think it goes on the player. Add child node. Arrow. Sprite 2D. That is an arrow. Rename arrow. And then arrow this. And we need a whole script for it. That's fine. This is the Fimsh head, so rename Fimsh head, save. This is rename meet collision, save. This is rename head collision, save. This is rename head area 2D, save. This is tail path, save. Okay, now they're all custom names. Nice. Wait, arrow. This has its own script. We go add script. Yeah, the arrow script. Okay, basically, we need to know where the biggest Fimsh is. So, we need two signals. One from the leaderboard telling us who's the biggest one and their ID. And then one, we need to capture the position data from the... Yeah. Okay. We can do this. So, clients network dot position, handle player position from server dot connect. We have func new player position. We'll pass here. This is new player position. Here we have King Fimsh. King Fimsh. Oh, yo, we could give a good title to the biggest Fimsh of them all. Is it the King Fimsh though? No idea. Oh well, we'll call it King Fimsh for now. Int, and ID will be a -1. And then here we can go. What is the struct that gets here? Player position. So we go player position. And then here we go if player dot ID is equal to King Fimsh. Then we go King Fimsh position is a vector 2.0. Yeah. And then here we go King Fimsh position is equal to. Wait, do we even need this? I don't think we need to store this. Wait, it will jump around. Yeah, okay, we'll keep it here. Is equal to player dot position. And then now we need to position it correctly. Actually, we can just get our current world position. So we go global position. So we went from us to them. So we go King Fimsh position minus global position. Oh, I wonder if we do something cheeky. No. Well, we need to give the camera to arrow, I think, so we know where to draw it. We only spawn the camera. Yeah. Or I wonder if we go add child node, we go camera 2D, but we have it disabled by default. Save, and then we want smoothing enabled as true. Smoothing, position smoothing, and then position moving speed is 10. Like so. And then what? And then that's it. Then here, instead of creating it, we go, we want to enable it. So we'll go camera dot enabled bit is true. And then we set camera zoom. We need to actually do camera now. So this now turns into a at export camera. Yeah, right here. Save. Then we go player. This is the rename player camera. Let me just assign that here. And then what? What happens now? So we enable it when we need it. Oh, the arrow can be a child to the camera, or even the other way around. We can get the camera here though, so and export camera, camera 2D. This is all fine. We are if does camera have a signal when it's enabled and disabled? Hidden. What does hidden mean? Remember when this node becomes hidden, it's no longer visible by the tree. Hello Stewie, thank you for the water. Yeah, I need the opposite of hidden though. I need when it's shown. I think anyway. Yeah, we have some real bugs to work out though. Is it under like shown? No. Wait, is show a function? Should I be using this instead of show the canvas item is currently hidden. Go into setting visible to true. Oh. Wait. Canvas item. That's not right. Visibility change? Yeah, but I'm not changing visibility. I'm changing enabled. Yeah, camera enabled here. And by default it's disabled. Does this work? It should work. Server, client, play. Yeah, it does work. Nice. I mean, we can just check if it's enabled or not. There's nothing wrong with that. I thought maybe it could be more efficient if we have a signal for when it gets enabled, but maybe not. Signal. I just type signal and it'll give me all the signals. It is not. That's okay. Because yeah, all we do is just here we go if camera dot enabled return. We're not enabled. Wait, we need to get the King Fimsh signal. So this isn't really anything to do with networking. I guess we can put it in the config file. Func set no, not func, sorry. Signal set King Finch ID of int. Set King Finch, save. Now under leaderboard here. Hi Ghosty. Not being able to yeet it open. I had to give the kitty some pets. Yeah, they are on the leaderboard. It's true. What am I thinking of? So the leaderboard. Ghosty. What's wrong? When we add points, leaderboard, blah blah blah. Append entry. Wait, how do we know sort entries? Here. update leaderboard, visible, range 0 to 10, get child. This only happens once every 10 seconds, so this is fine. We can just admit it here. So we go if I. Well, if it's already sorted. Well, we're already getting the node anyway. Yeah, we're already getting the node here. We go if I is equal to 0. Then we go config dot set kingfinch admit. Then we entry node dots ID. But we had a test run of the game, by the way. It went alright. Your entry node has a type. Oh, if it's a user entry, okay. Need to update the node. Oh yeah, right here. Are you okay, Ghosty? Okay. Yeah, if we're at 0. Well, technically we only need to do this whenever we update the 0th entry. Yeah, so if the entry that we just updated was 0, so it's a new Fimsh, we need to update its ID. Leaderboard okay. Leaderboard I dot ID. Why can I not see this config? Did we not save it? Stop. Signal. Can I remember set kingfinch? What? Config. Fimsh entry. Oh, where is it? Where's my signal? It's not here. Did I do it wrong? There's no way I did it wrong. Hi, Alden. What's wrong with it? What? Hang on, let me have the client network signal. It is literally just this. Did I? This is the same, no? We head back to leaderboard. Yeah. Config dot Fimsh entries there, which is what we're using for currently. This one. I don't understand. Why is the signal not showing? Maybe I do lose faith in Godot. Put it in the bin. Wait, how long has it been? Almost 3 hours, nice. Signal set Fimsh king. I did spell it right? Set king Fimsh. I did. Project settings. Globals. Oh. This is I called it global config. Okay, that's that. Okay, now we can go back to player arrow here, global config dot sets kingfinch dot connect. new Kingfinch plus this one is new Kingfinch, and then this is an ID of int, and then this is Kingfinch is equal to ID. Like so. Okay, nice. Now we can get its position, and okay. For now, we'll just have it look towards wherever the Kingfinch is. So we get our current rotation. Wait, is it look towards? Look at point Kingfinch position. Yeah, the other thing is we want to not show this if we are the Kingfinch. So we are here if Kingfinch is equal to client network.id and visible equals false, else visible is equal to true. Play. Server. Client. Okay, I'll show you the game this time. That is not the game. Why is my screen capture broken? What are you capturing? You didn't update. So we go play. Okay, it dies. That was a bit preemptive. We just died instantly. Okay. Invalid access to property or key. What do you mean? Config. Signal. Set Kingfinch. I'm confused. Oh, I know what happened. No, I don't. This is global config. So if that's global config, what is config then? Fimsh entry. What is going on? What uses config? How does the leaderboard get a Fimsh entry? Config, yeah, we can just use config. What? Config. Can I find set Kingfinch on config? We literally have it here with play. Ooh, I don't understand. I guess maybe because this is like, well, we use it here too. And it's no different from client network. Okay, if I go to config and we save, we just go stop. You have already. Play. Yeah, it dies. Okay. So what if I yoink this signal and we go to client network, and then I just paste it here. We just go paste. Not really networking, but it didn't work in config. Okay, now we go to the leaderboard, and then here we go, client network. And now it works. Okay, fine. You'll be in part of the client network now. Heckin' rude. Leaderboard. What was the other one? In player, the arrow. This is now, well, can this access it? Well, I removed it now, so clients, network. New King Fimsh. Okay. That's fine. Let's see if it works. Server, client, play. I need to set it invisible to begin with. Yeah, okay. Now I go client, play. Yeah, okay, nice, it's working. Okay, so now... Oh, did it already look at? Get angle 2. If we go get angle 2, and then we go in Fimsh position, well, we'd only need to do this when it updates, I guess. Well, unless we lerp it. So yeah, let's just do it when it updates for now. How do we know gets canvas? How do we know what is like within the camera? Do we need like the camera's height? Of visible change. Custom viewport. Will it have a custom viewport? Height. Enabled. Editor draw limits. Oh, get screen target, get target position, get center position, get screen rotation. Apply scale, get angle 2, global position rotation, global scale. It might be global scale. Canvas item. Transform. Viewport rect. Yeah, this one. And we need the height. Height. Shun-san, hello. Welcome in. Base on a 2. What is it then? Get area. Size, the Y. Okay. And then we go get angle 2. This returns a rotation, right? Yeah, var angle is equal to this. So if I was to go global position x is equal to that's a problem. Bar camera position is equal to camera. I feel like I'm doing this wrong. Maybe this should be UI element instead of based on the player. Where position get screen center position. So here it would be camera position plus position.x plus heights, let's go by 90% heights by angle.cosine. I'll deal with rotation in a second. And then this is y. This would be sine. Rotation would just equal angle. Play. Okay, let's see if this will work. Wait, it did not work. I should at least start one client. Okay, where did it die? Oh right. It's cosine, it's like this. And then sine, it's the same. Okay, play. Okay, let's try again. Server, client, play. Okay, nice. Play. Play. No, we have to wait for a leaderboard to update before the arrow appears. That may have been the arrow. That probably was the arrow. Oh yeah, the whatever I just did definitely does not work. Oh wait, we don't need global position. We just say position is equal to this. Right? This is the offset based off of the player. And so we don't need camera position. Yeah, we don't need this. Play. Server. Clients. Play. Oh, yeah, there is an arrow. It's not quite right. Client. Play. Oh. This should be global. Well, it should be global rotation, but also we need it to ignore parent rotation. I know we can like ignore parent stuff, but we want the position. Maybe this just works better as a UI element rather than a sprite 2D. How would I do that? We go add child node, canvas layout. And then I have another node. Would be a texture of some kind. Great. And the layout would be... No, this does not work. Right. I forget aspects container. Wait, this is wrong. Change type. I mean, we kinda like this would take on the arrow rectangle like this. Not the arrow rectangle. It would get the triangle. It is in the top left. But we don't want it there. We want it layout. Layout mode is container. Hmm. I think this is best. Is a child of player though. Why is camera not get rotated? Ignore rotation. Wait, what if I turn that off? This might get sickly. If you get motion sick like I do, we might die. Oh. This is very interesting. And I get it is giving motion sick. Holy. Offset. When we start it, we go to rotation. What? This should be a lot easier than it is. Maybe we just have this in the wrong place. I think we just have this in the wrong place. Do we need the camera? Kinda. Well, no. So if I cut this and then we put it on the game here and we go paste and then we come into the script. We don't care about the camera anymore. Yeah, we don't care about it. Let's say height is like 500. Fuck it. And we don't care if camera's enabled or not because that's not what we're doing here. Pass. Save. And then what? How do I know where to place it? How do I know when to place it? I don't know. I don't know. So we kind of need the current player's position, but we don't have that anymore. We don't have the camera either. We do have the king's position. So with the king's position, can we work it out? I don't think so. Does the game have anything useful? Game does nothing. Game does absolutely nothing. Yeah, all of this can go. Oh, this exit is wrong. We're not disconnecting these. That's not good. Paste. Disconnect. Disconnect. Save. What if we just like? Well, we don't have the position, so get angle 2 does nothing. Wait, what if we cut it again? Save this. come back to player, paste it here, save. Now what we do is we go var rotation is a foot equals 0, save, and then here we go rotation is equal to angle.
Gandalf says day 56.
Day 56 is right. Correct rotation, and then here well, yeah, we'll just go global rotation is equal to correct rotation. Hello. Play. And then play. So what should we see? We should see the arrow rotating. Currently it's always to the right. Oh. Both of them are always to the right. Is that right? No, that one of them has to be not to the right. It's not rotating. I made it through the wall. I need to add a check there. Okay. Bugs. Add check / collide with walls while immunity line is active. Doesn't do this currently. You can phase through the wall. Save. Thinking. You know what, I might be done. I might be cooked. I think that's it. After not being unfocused for ages. Oh right. We'll come back to this arrow shenanigans later. But if we head over to wait, isn't that what game does? Game doesn't do this. What? What deals with our focus and unfocus then? I thought we did a whole thing for that. I thought that's what this was for. Global config, that doesn't do shit. Config, that doesn't do shit. Main, oh, main does it. Main scene? Oh. This says menu, this says game. So when the game is refocused, we need to go. Well, when it's unfocused, we can go set and all the reset. What does this do? When a physical display is active, when a node is when a node is moving a node to a radically different transform, such as placement within a level, can result in visible glitch. As object is rendered moving from new to old, the glitch can be prevented by calling this method, which temporarily disables interpolation until the physics tick is complete. Does this apply to the whole game? If we go back to here, what kind of functions do we have on engine? Okay, don't care. Is it on the object? Or is it on all objects? Not sure. Yeah, okay, yeah, the game script does nothing. Game. Well, yeah, okay, we will do that. Fake food on client when it's already been. Yeah, I don't know what to do about this. Maybe shader create long Fimsh out of any sprite. Arrow showing direction of largest Fimsh. Yeah. Yo, spectator mode though. How would that work? So basically here, we'd need another button. It would look kind of ugly though. I mean, I could put it on the bottom left instead. Username section, player points. Yeah, we'll go new canvas layer. And then, yeah, aspect ratio container. And then basically I want to copy the play button. This one, copy, copy, and then we go paste. It did not. Do I need to make it unique or anything like that? I don't remember if we need to do that anymore or not. This is spectate. Yeah, and then layouts. This is bottom left. We need some spacing, so what? We go add child node. Panel? Well, I don't really need a panel for this. Container. Center. Multiple container. Split container margin. Scroll container. Panel container. Minimum size. Alignment. Container sizing. Okay, I don't think we can do it with this container. Stretch mode. Play button. This is not play button. Rename. Spectate button. Save. Transform container sizing. That's not right. Wait, control node? Is it just a control node? Wait, I had this problem with the menu, right? Yeah, I needed these. So how did I get these? So bottom wide, and then this, but it's centered. Oh, right. Wait, what does this do? Layout. Anchor's bottom. Yeah. So if I was to recreate that, then where we go game. Oh yeah, so instead of bottom left, it would be bottom wide, but then we would go new child. Is it horizontal box or then vertical box? We go vertical box, and then we go horizontal box. This is a very roundabout way of doing this, but then this box is yeah, let's just say begin, and then this one is, wait, I can't set these. What? Layout. Oh, is it because we have this? If I do this, and then here we go bottom wide, and then this one layouts. Well, this one's inherited. That doesn't help me. Center. Because that's on the bottom right. I need to check. Yeah, it is. Stop. Wait, how did, what? Menu. This says anchors bottom wide. Oh, horizontal. Hang on, game. This says anchors. Oh, it says uncontrolled. Control node? Anchors bottom wide. And this one is container sizing. Container sizing. Oh, this one. So vertical shrink center, expand, fill. Wait, what? If I go full rect, oh, I don't want that. If I go bottom wide, that is also broken now. Let me just bring this out. Let me delete this. Okay. Okay, we got aspect ratio, this thing, oops, this button. Container, vertical fill. Custom. None of this changes anything. Bottom wide. Okay, if I go full rect, right? And then you add a node that is a container. Delete. say just a normal control node. And then this layout is, this is, why does it say inherited? Anchor offsets. Left. Oh wait, this might just be it. If I go here, get rid of this. Go here. So anchor offsets. Wait, this is on pixels though. This doesn't make sense. Grow direction. Okay, what if we change type? We just go make a container. Normal ass container. Layout. Full rect. Well, anchor. Bottom left. This is fine. What if we go custom? Anchor offset top and left. Oh yeah, that does move it. Wait, does that just work? I mean, it's kind of scuffed. I don't know if I like it. Oh, I can't click anything else. Oh, that's bad. Mouse pass. Wait. No, it's still not. Ignore. See? Yeah, like it's. I don't like this. Top left. Center. Wait, if I center and then this, we make it bottom wide. Bottom wide. Yeah, like this. But then anchors full rect. That's the full rect. Wait. That's like off the screen, no? It is off the screen. I'm so confused. Manage object properties. If I go here and we go expand non-default. Yeah, 2 changes here, that's fine. 4 changes here. Wait, now if I go layout and we go bottom left, it's the one. Why does it do this to me? Like, what is that? What is the button doing there? Control 9. Layout. Bottom wide. Build, expand. I don't know. I don't think, like, I don't want to deal with this right now. I think I'll deal with this later. I think I was done when I said I was done. Done. Finish. Finish. What? I mean, I don't know how long it will be, but Yuki is still streaming. Holy! We're gonna go raid Yuki. They're a very cool person. They're working on VR stuff. Very talented, very clever, very cool. Wait, thank you all, and go enjoy Yuki's stream, and have a good one. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.